I have a secret that I will share with you. This is also a hack that I haven't shared with you yet. Well, here it is now. There is a specific software on the internet that will allow you to earn money online for free. You can download the app for free on your iOS or Android devices. Aside from that, there are two additional applications that will pay you for installing it. These two apps are completely unrelated to the first one, but it will still help you earn money without actually exerting too much effort. With these three amazing apps, you can surely earn money during your free time. A reminder before I share this tip: do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Without further ado, I will now tell you about the first app that you can use. It is called SMSapp.com. Well, that is really their technical name, but do not worry because you can install it on your phone. It is an application that will allow you to make money online by receiving messages that their company and customers generated. Actually, you can do this one with one hand. You just install this on your phone, create an account, and be ready. After you create your account, you could expect that random messages will be delivered to your phone. Do not worry, you don't need to reply to those messages. You can even delete them as soon as you receive one. You do not need to do anything, and yet you will get paid for receiving text messages. See, there is no work required. It is a really great way to earn passive income. You can read the information about the page, their process, and their ways to make sure that this is legitimate. However, make sure to read and understand everything because this app can only be used through an Android device. You can download it on your iPhone, but it will not work and you will not get money from it. Android phones allow its system to read SMS messages. Thus, you can generate passive income from it. I also did research about this application. Fortunately, there is overwhelming positive feedback about this. People are really satisfied and happy with how this app works. You also do not need to worry about security issues. This application will only read messages sent from their system. All other personal and private messages, credentials, information, and data will not be screened. People are also satisfied with the automated system that this application has. Aside from that, you can also earn from referring other people to join this application. You can earn 30% of the earnings that your referral earned. If your friend earned $100 from your referral, then you will earn 30% or $30 easily. It will go on forever. Thus, you will always have a source of passive income. It is completely free. So, what are you waiting for? Visit their site and read everything about it. After that, register and you will start receiving automated SMS messages. I will show you the interface of the site. This is their dashboard. You will be able to download the app through its dashboard. After that, you can find your referral code here. You can spread it out to your friends, families, and even strangers. You may think that this might be a scam, but do not worry. You can explore it to see the integrity of the application. They have here the proof of payments that users from anywhere in the world had received. You will also see in their website that they comply with the latest GDPR privacy regulations. They have undertaken the necessary actions and interventions needed to ensure that the privacy of everyone will be protected. Explore the website and you will know everything about it. The next application that I will tell you about is called cashmagnetapp.com. It is figuratively a cash magnet that will allow you to earn money. Unfortunately, this app is compatible with Android phones only. Just like the first app, you do not need to do a lot of things to earn money from this application. Cash Magnet collates all the top rewards programs that you can play to earn money. The earnings from Cash Magnet is significantly higher than the one that you can get from the SMS app. This application will bring in fun and joy because you can earn money from playing games and watching quirky ads. Also, your earnings would start as soon as you install the application. It is really an easy way to earn money online. You just need to get it to your phone and leave it as it is. Then, you can proceed about your day while your phone earns money for you. You can utilize other Android devices to increase your earnings. After a few months of using this, you can already buy the things that you want. Again, just install the application and follow the instructions provided on it. The security feature of this application is also top-notch. Thus, you have the assurance that they won't reveal nor use your personal information and data to anyone else. Again, all the applications that I am telling you about are absolutely free. There are no hidden charges nor subscription fees. Now, you already know two of the three apps that I am telling you about. In these two apps, you do not need to do anything, but a passive income will come your way. Now, we will proceed with the last app that is equally amazing. The last app will compensate you up to $600 per year. All you need to do to earn this is to listen to your favorite music. This application is available on both Android and iOS devices. You can search it on Google Play Store and App Store. Just install the application and start listening to your favorite music. Listening will earn you points, and the more points you earn, the more money you can make. There are 100,000 radio stations from all over the world. You can start listening to them through this application and get paid for doing so. Unlike in SoundCloud, where you are forced to listen to all kinds of songs, this application will allow you to listen to the music that you love. Listening is a common activity for a lot of people. Thus, this is a great way to monetize your hobby. It is hitting two birds with one stone, earning and enjoying all in the comfort of this application. You can also spend the points that you earned from listening to buy and purchase your favorite brands. There are lots of things that you can do through this application. It is also available across the world, so it is very accessible. Now, the application is actually called Current.us. Just go to their official website and learn more about the said app. Again, this application is available on Google Play and App Store. So what are you waiting for? Enjoy your thing and earn money through these apps. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.